Hey everyone! LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to help us build valuable professional connections, but sometimes we come across people we prefer not to interact with. Whether it's unwanted messages, spam, or a connection we're not comfortable with anymore, LinkedIn lets us block users to protect our professional space. Blocking someone on LinkedIn is important for keeping our privacy, security, and professional boundaries intact. When we block someone, they can't view our profile, send us messages, see our posts, or interact with us on the platform. This is especially helpful if we're getting inappropriate messages, dealing with scam accounts, or just want to control who can access our profile. Blocking helps us create a safer and more comfortable networking environment, making sure LinkedIn stays a positive and productive space for career growth. Let's walk through how we can block someone on LinkedIn. Now follow me because I will teach you step by step on the simplest way. So even if you're new, you can follow along. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Once we're there, log into your account. After logging in, we will be taken to the home page. To block someone, go to My Network. My Network is where we find our LinkedIn connections. Click here to see our events. For example, if we want to disconnect or block someone, go to their profile. On their profile, we will see 3 dots next to the message button. Click these 3 dots. At the bottom, you will see the option to report or block. Click this and choose an option to either block or report the profile. Since we want to block, just click block. A confirmation will appear asking if we really want to block this account. Click block to confirm. That's how we block someone on LinkedIn. Taking control of our connections helps us keep a professional and secure online experience. Remember, our LinkedIn experience should always feel safe, respectful, and helpful for our careers.